Constitution of India came to force on this day in 1950. This day reminds us of freedom struggle and how the great freedom fighters of our country sacrificed their lives to get the Purna Swaraj. It's because of their struggle that today we are living in a democratic country where each citizen has a right to equality, right to freedom, right against exploitation, right to freedom of religion, cultural and educational rights, and right to constitutional remedies. Today is the day we reaffirm our commitment to unity in diversity, fraternity, and equality among all our citizens. I would like to wind up my speech followed by a moment of silence for the great leaders and freedom fighters who sacrificed their lives so that we can live in a democratic country. Jai Hind.
To commend the 72nd Republic Day of our nation. Republic Day, praised each year on 26 January, has gained special significance throughout India. Consistently, the national occasion is commended with lots of joy and bliss to make the occasion beautiful and memorable. It was on 26 January 1950 the Constitution of India came into impact, and the day is celebrated as National Day to recognize and celebrate the occasion. We all are aware that India got its independence on August 15, 1947. Yet the country didn't have its own constitution. Rather, it was represented under the laws executed by the British. Nonetheless, after numerous consultations and revisions, an advisory group headed by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar and presented a draft of the Indian Constitution, which was adjusted on 26 November 1949 and authoritatively became effective on 26 January 1950. Republic signifies the power which is supreme. A resident living in the Republic country appreciates the right to choose the delegates to lead the nation. In this way, in the Republic of India, each resident appreciates equivalent rights independent of the status he belongs to. The principal Republic Day festivities are held in the national capital, New Delhi, at the Rajpath, in the presence of the President of India, with a gathering of a large number of people, maybe from India as well as the other nations, to enjoy the festivity and enthusiasm of the day. On this day, ceremonious processions happen at the Rajpath, which are proceeded as a tribute to India. The festival begins from the doors of the Rashtrapati Bhavan. Raisina Hill on Rajpath past the India Gate is a fundamental attraction of the Republic Day celebrations. This is followed by the presence of different dignitaries at Rajpath to commend the event. The President, Prime Minister, and other high-position authorities of India are normally included in the list of dignitaries. The President hoists the national flag and addresses the country with Republic Day speech by encouraging words to everybody in the nation present there and others as well. On the event, respectable honors offered away to martyrs and legends who devoted their lives to the nation. Republic Day is an unmistakable and eye-catching component of the festival as it grandstands India's defense capability, cultural and social heritage. The colorful showcases shown by each state portrays their way of life. Every school, college and office celebrate and take an interest in the Republic Day and show their energetic enthusiasm. Resident in the nation wishes one another, brings the festive vibe, and additionally scatters the significance of the day. This day is all about enthusiasm, respect, understanding the sacrifices, and hugely celebrating our freedom. Happy
century. I'm Kiran. I'm Afan. I'm Nimmi. Hi, I'm 18th century. Hi, I'm 20th century.
21st.
I'm so happy and I have a good environment. Oh, what an environment! I have more than that. I have robotics, play station and etc. What's great in that? You have health issues, no trees and no proper environment. Oh, I don't believe you. Look at my paper. Oh, what is this? So boring. Should have wear mask. See my people. Wow, water, environment and water trees. I love this. Oh, my generation is facing to some health issues. What to do? Don't worry, my friends. You are running fast and damaging the environment. So at least save earth, save trees. Yes, you're correct. Thank you. ये देश है वीर जवानों का, लड़ेलों का, सियानों का, इस देश के यारों का करना, ये देश दुनिया का करना। मेरा झूठा है जापानी, ये पन्नू हिंदुस्तानी, सचेरा तो तेरे सिक्के की दिल है हिंदुस्तानी। मेरा झूठा है जापानी, ये पन्नू हिंदुस्तानी, सचेरा तो तेरे सिक्के की दिल है हिंदुस्तानी। आजाद हिंद शानी आने के पहले आसमान के तले जय हो सतरे इंडिया, सतरे इंडिया। वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम। सुजलाम सुफलाम मलयजशीतलाम, सस्य श्यामलां मातरम। हम लोगों को समझ सके तो समझो दिल बचानी, जितना भी तुम समझोगे उतनी होगी हैरानी। फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी। माँ तुझे सलाम, अम्मा तुझे सलाम। वंदे मातरम। आओ बच्चों तुम्हें दिखाएं, आओ बच्चों तुम्हें सिखाएं झांकी हिंदुस्तान की। इस मिट्टी से तिलक करो, ये धरती है बलिदान की। वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम। नन्हा मुन्ना रानी हूँ, देश का सिपाही हूँ, बोलो मेरे संग जय हिंद, जय हिंद, जय हिंद, जय हिंद। मेरा मुल्क, मेरा देश, मेरा ये वतन, शांति का उन्नति का प्यार का चमन, उसके वास्ते निशान है मेरा तन, मेरा मन। है वतन, है वतन, है वतन, जाने मन, जाने मन, जाने मन। सुनो गौर से दुनिया वालों, कोई नजर ना हम पे डालो, चाहे
Thank you.
Why we are celebrating on January 26th? Even the constitution is prepared a few days before.
It came into impact on this day.
No, they can impact them before that also, or maybe after. Yeah.
Because
Not
okay, actually, few years before itself, Indians considered that 26th January as Independence Day. Before independence came into, means that 1947, before we got independence, on 26th January itself, few years before, they celebrated as Independence Day, even though it was not really Independence Day. And then they waited for a few months after only the constitution was ready, but they waited for a few months till 26th January, and then they decided.
Indian National Congress. Which year you remove? Anybody know? Like they told British people, we don't like why you are ruling us. We are ourselves freedom. When the Indian National Congress formed, so they declared ourselves freedom in 1929 on January 26th. So they waited for that day because first time they announced themselves as an independent country. So that is why we are celebrating in January 26th.
Also on that day, Vande Mataram was sung.
That is why they made all these things because of that day.
Yes. On that day only, Vande Mataram was sung. And I would like to ask why Vande Mataram came into that picture. Why? Anybody can answer for that?
So till then, morning once again everybody, happy to be here. So till then we used to sing hymn in praise of the lady, the Queen of England. Long live the Queen, exactly. So that's when we talked about the Indian freedom, we talk about the freedom fighters like Netaji Subhash Chandra Basu or Bhagat Singh, who were probably more emphatic during that period of 1920s. Mahatma Gandhi, of course, has been the backbone of the entire freedom struggle. But these guys were the ones who actually could make people think that yes, we could be free. There's no thought of the Purna Swaraj. It was previously thought of as a partial independence on which the Indian National Congress had sort of agreed. But it was in 1929, as Kiran mentioned, is when the Indian National Congress decided about the Purna Swaraj. Vande Mataram was the alternative song or was the alternative anthem that was proposed as against the Hail Queen.
It's not only what I'm talking about. I would like want everybody to participate in this and ask me the questions and share your knowledge because I'm here not to ask, I want to gain the knowledge. Like anybody want to ask and will share the knowledge, ask questions and let everybody answer.
Difference between national song and national anthem, which are those two?
National anthem is Janagana Mana, everybody will know that. National song is Vande Mataram. Am I right? Difference is 19 from 30, Vande Mataram is being sung and it was sung on the national radio by Rabindranath Tagore. That was the national song and national anthem was written by Rabindranath Tagore and it was national anthem declared by Congress itself. And difference, I would like Pragna only to tell the difference. You know the difference? Written by Bankim Chandradas Chatterjee, वंदे मातरम लिखा था. बाकी नेशनल एंथम जो है रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर जी ने लिखा था. वो डिफरेंस है, एक वो है. आपको किसी को और पता है व्हाट इज डिफरेंस? अंकल जी. And national song we can sing anywhere, but national anthem we cannot sing anywhere. Usually some stage would be there. You cannot sing in any place. That's what I do. But I don't know exactly the same. You want to ask anything, Amit? That was Subha's question. Ladies' flag. The significance of the flag.
Saffron stands for strength, white stands for peace, green stands for prosperity.
Thank you.
How many lines are there in the wheel and what does it represent?
Name the president this year.
Ramnath.
Name the president. Who is the president of India?
Ramnath Kovind.
And previous to that.
Previous to that ఎవరు?
And previous to that.
ప్రణబ్ ముఖర్జీ.
Pratibha Patil.